Okay, let's create a purchase order again. Last time we had um, some errors, so we will go for purchase order condition. Okay, currency. Account assignment. F, F for is for order, enter GL account. But it cannot be used. Why? Because it says T04F and T162K. There is a mismatch in this. So let's see what that is. Slash O SM30 T04F count revision incompatible combination fees and cost center. Okay. T04F find maintenance dialog. Maintain. Double it. Maintain. Oops. Now it is a material account B06 additional account assignments, and there is a mismatch proportionally because it is suppressed. We make it optional entry, save. Okay. And the next is T162K. Copy that. And, Maintenance dialog, continue. Each selection of account assignment level. Okay. Next, order. Cost center is optional entry. Now this is matching. Okay. Now let's re-enter the purchase order again. Payment 21 and uh, enter. Zero. Enter. Assignment retreat. Price 133. Let me read you forward. Two, new account, enter 04F profit center. Okay. Order cost center, profit center is optional. And maintenance dialog, double 6. Cost center is optional. Build down. Profit center is hidden. Save. Split again. ME21. N on assignment F 30,000. 20. Profit center. Profit center should be derived from the material. But anyways, let's see. Central office. PO quantity below minimum order quantity 296 PO from info record. Okay. Enter, 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 enter. Okay. Save. Standard PO created under number 45097. Okay. Now, the next part is release strategy. Release strategy. Okay. Let's start release strategy and see how it can be made. A release strategy is basically a little bit technical area, but you will see. But it is a requirement of every client. Now, why do we need a release strategy every time? It's 4597. Okay. This is our purchase order. 1110. Delivery date is 17th. And this is what we have just created. After the errors have been removed. Now comes the release strategy. Now there is a definitive release strategy steps. Some are technical, some require a little bit of legwork. So why do we need a release strategy? There is a reason to it. Okay. Release strategy for PO. Now, release strategy comes when purchase amount is less than 500, let's say $500, officer can release it. But if purchase amount is more than 500 but less than 10,000, manager will approve. Purchase amount is more than 10,000 and less than 500,000, finance manager. Purchase amount is more than 500,000, then CFO, and so on. So for this, we need to have proper setup. So what is that setup? It's very easy. We build variants, characteristics, tables, and fields, and these are then packaged into authorizations which are attached to user logins, because everyone like officer, manager will have, CFO will have their logins. So authorizations will be given as per the amounts, these amounts. Okay. So authorizations will have codes like code 10, 20, 30, and so on. Okay. So for the release strategy, we need to have certain parameters, okay, to trigger release of the PO. Okay. And in SAP, there are tables, and combination of tables is called structure. There is one structure for release PO is called SECO. And we'll see what are the fields in this table. Let's go down to SC12, SECO, display. Now, purchase document category, this will be a condition. A purchase document, purchase order will have its own document type. Now, document type will be for raw material, finished good that can be made. Order type is purchasing, and control indicator. Yes, this is also needed. Vendor's account number. This is also needed. So this is communication of release strategy determination of the purchase document. So this will be used. Okay. It's simple, but it actually requires a little bit of steps. Okay. So the next step is CT04. Okay. Characteristics that we will be using over here is we need some characteristics to build SECO and abstract. Now, what are characteristics? These are features that we'll be using, or fields features that we'll use for release strategy. Okay. Now, for example, we will be using G Shakir sir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मुझे ये पूछना था कि
Okay. Okay. Now we'll need doc types. Doc type. Okay. DB doc type will need uh, right, and characteristics group will be, this is where your group, your user group will be defined, but we'll keep it simple, not so complicated. Authorization group is also used for users that we have just seen. And in preparation logbook released, this will be released. Okay. Now, data type will be character format, number of characters will be single values, of course, but we have, what is more important is the name of the table. Uh, Additional data table, SECO, BS art. This is very important. Not ready for input because we are making this table and using this field, and this will not be input, but it will be used through user login authorization. Okay. Now, enter additional data. Not ready for input. Values. Values. Save. Type save. not working right now. Okay, let me just explain how it works. VB doc type, second VS hard. This is the table and the field name. Okay. In the values that we are not able to add, we add a document type like CV. Okay. And in CV, we actually uh, also add, for example, restriction. Okay. I can add some restriction right now, add value right now. Release strategy. Okay. Basic data. I cannot add whole here, so this discussion will only be theoretical until I actually find a solution to this. Okay. Next, what we will actually, okay, our type will be purchasing, that is already given over there. And what else? Let's save this. Okay. Still, it's still grayed out impacted. Have to find out again. Will be that time.
सर इसका स्टेटस शायद हम चेंज कर दें तो फिर हम ऐड कर सकेंगे।